So guys, let's move straight to the left part. So as I already told you, that we cutted this slant. This is the fabric that we are using it for the front pocket. You understand? When you open it, it's gonna be looking like this. You understand? So the weight is I think 12 inches. You understand? 12 inches. 11 and a half and quarter right here, and also this is 12 and a half, 12 and quarter right here at the length. The length is 12 or like 11 and a half and quarter, and the weight is that, and the length is also what the 12 and quarter. You understand what I'm talking about? So that is how we do it. Understand? So that's how we measure it. So right here we are going to measure 7 and what 7 and a quarter. We are measuring 7 and a quarter. We are gonna measure 7 and a quarter from the top to the down, right here. So this is how we are measuring. We marking it. You understand? From here, from top to the down, we are measuring 7 and a quarter inches. So we are gonna be using the scissors to cut it like this. Cut it like this. You understand? Cut it like this. So after cutting it, then we are gonna be be doing it like this. We are gonna be folding it like this. We are going to be folding it like this. And to stitch to the top. You understand? And to stitch to the top. So let's do it right now. So this is how we do it. This is exactly how we do it. Guys. So over here we are going to open it like this. We are going to be opening it to make it look like this, and we are going to fold this side inside and to stitch it to the down part too, same way that we did the right side. So this is the left side that we are making. We are making the left side. So this is how we stitch it. This is exactly how we stitch it. So this is exactly how we stitch it. So is it okay? So so after opening it like this, we are gonna take this different fabric. This is a different fabric, you understand? And it's cutted slightly like this, and the weight is 4.5, and the length it will be 7 or something, 7 or 8 inches. The length is 8 and quarter. You understand? So we are going to be putting it right here. You understand what I'm talking about? And to fold it inside like this, and to stitch it to the down part or the very end. So if you are watching me and you are watching me carefully, you are gonna know what I am talking about. I'm gonna be sewing it. You understand how I'm gonna be sewing it to make it the way that we want it? You understand? So this is how we stitch it. So this is exactly how we stitch it to the down part. So this is how we stitch it to the down part. So let's shave it. Let's make sure it's looking straight. Let's make sure that it's looking straight so that it doesn't bring any fall to us. Understand? Let's make sure that it's looking straight. So we go. So after it's looking like this, we are gonna put this one on it like this. We are going to be putting this one on it like this. Do you get it? We have put this one on it like this, and we are going to be measure 2 inches. This is more than 2 inches, so we need just 2 inches. You understand? We need just 2 inches. To sew this one. You understand? So this is 2 inches right here. So we are going to be stitching it from where I'm gonna show you. We are gonna be stitching it from here to the down the end part. So let's stitch it right now. Let's stitch that part too right now. Let's get fast so that we finish it. So this is how we stitch it. This one too. This is exactly how we stitch this one too. So we are explaining it beautiful so that you understand how to see it better. You understand? We are explaining it that calmly and straight, so that you know how to stitch yours what very beautiful. You understand? So this is how it is. So let's mark here. Let's mark here. So let's turn this like this to make it look like this. Let's turn here to make it look like this, and let's turn it to make it look like this, and let's stitch it. Let's stitch it. Let us stitch it to the down part. You understand? I hope we left some part, but you should never mind it. You should never mind that place. I will show you that place I'm talking about. So this is how we stitch it. This is exactly how we stitch it. This is exactly how we stitch it. So we are going to be putting it inside like this, and to turn it to make it the pocket. So you see that our hands is inside it. So this is how the back is going to be looking. This is how the back is going to be looking. This is the left one, and when we turn it like this, it's going to be looking like this. You understand? It's going to be looking exactly like this. You understand? So this is how it's going to be looking. You understand? So we are going to stitch right here. You are going to stitch right. Just look it carefully so that you know how I am stitching it. So that you will know how I am stitching it. So that you stitch yours too beautifully whenever you are stitching a trouser front pocket. This is the trouser. We are stitching a trouser full tutorial on how to stitch a trouser. So this is how we stitch it. We are making sure that it stands on it, so that we are able to be stitching it what we want properly. You understand? So this is how we get it. This is how we stitch it. This is exactly how we stitch it. So this is the left front pocket. This is exactly how we stitch the left front pocket. This is exactly how we stitch the left front pocket. This is exactly how we stitch the left front pocket right here. You understand? This is how we stitch it. You understand? So this is how we stitch it.